Hi, welcome back. In this particular session, I am going to explain default arguments. This is also related to function, which I have already explained in my previous video. So if you do not know how to define a function, how to call a function, what is user defined function, so please go and watch my just previous video so that you will understand this what is default function, because this is directly related to function. So the agenda for today's session is that I will explain what is default parameter, one example, and that example I will implement in Jupyter Notepad with Python code. So the example which I will be taking today in this particular session to explain the default parameter is that here I have a one list which is nothing but this one, and the index start from 0 to 8. So that means I am having a 9 element inside this particular list, which is 0, 2, 4, 6, 3, 2, 4, 5, 9. And our job is or task is to pass that default parameter, which is nothing but a min from. So we have to find out the minimum value from that particular index. So this is the index. So if I am writing sending 2 as a default parameter to that function, so that means find out the minimum value from this particular index to till end. If I am passing 4, so it will start from here to till end. So it has to return the minimum value between this range. So this is the index value, minimum from where you want to find out the minimum value. So let's implement this one in Jupyter Notepad. So you can see here I am having a one function with default parameter. So the default parameter you can see here, this is the normal parameter, and this one is the default parameter, which is nothing but low equal to 0. So if you do not pass any value to this particular low, by default it will start from 0, and if you pass some value to this particular low, the 0 will be overridden by that particular value. So you can see here this is the function min from, this is the list, and this is the index from where the min form should be identified. And here this is the code to find out the minimum value. So first I am taking this high, which is nothing but length of that string, length of this list, and the mean value, which is nothing but whatever you pass here. So if you do not pass, that will be by default 0. So here it is 0. So the first element, then iterate to low plus 1 to high. That means if by default is 0, so it will start from 1 to end. So high would be the length of that string. And if you can see here that list of I less than equal to mean value, then mean value would be that particular item which we are comparing, I mean less than, and then return this mean value. So you can see here using this function I am having one list, and this is the item inside the list, and then the function is called with my array, and I am overriding this particular 0 with 1. So the low will be having 1. So the minimum value it should identify from second index, because I am doing here low plus 1. So let's define this one, and now you call this. So you can see here from here uh, low is 1, so 2, 0, 1, 2 from here. So the minimum value is 2. So same thing you can do with this text function also. So here I am having hello there, and then if this one you have to pass here, let's suppose I am passing uh, 1. So let's see what is happening here. So you can see here I need to pass this function here, and this text one, and then this one. So you can see here the character comparison happen, and then this is the minimum. So I hope you would have understood what is the meaning of default parameter. So if you do not pass anything here, it will take by default 0, otherwise you can override that value. So I hope you would have understood this. If you have any question, please put it in comment box. I will try to answer as much as possible.